When one door closes, another opens, but we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. The day will come when the man at the telephone will be able to see the distant person to whom he is speaking. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. The only difference between success and failure is the ability to take action. The achievement of one goal should be the starting point of another. Don't keep forever on the public road, going only where others have gone and following one after the other like a flock of sheep. Leave the beaten track occasionally and dive into the woods. Great discoveries and improvements invariably involve the cooperation of many minds. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work at hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. I have traveled around the globe. I have seen the Canadian and American Rockies, the Andes, the Alps, and the Highlands of Scotland, but for simple beauty, Cape Breton outrivals them all. Sometimes we stare so long at a door that is closing that we see too late the one that is opened. Who cannot force ideas? Successful ideas are the result of slow growth. Ideas do not reach perfection in a day, no matter how much study is put upon them. A man, as a general rule, owes very little to what he is born with. A man is what he makes of himself. What this power is I cannot say.